Meet the GoPro Hero, the compact, waterproof action camera that's about to change the way you capture your adventures. Whether you're diving into crystal clear waters, cycling down rugged trails, or exploring new cities, this little powerhouse lets you record every moment in jaw-dropping detail. With 4K Ultra HD video, every scene you capture is crystal clear, with vibrant colors and incredible clarity. From extreme sports to scenic landscapes, you'll never miss a single detail. And it's not just about video with 12MP photos, you can snap stunning stills, capturing fast action in sharp, professional quality images. The GoPro Hero is built to withstand anything. It's waterproof and rugged, so you can take it into the pool, the ocean, or even a sudden rainstorm, and it will keep recording without missing a beat. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to carry anywhere: your pocket, backpack, helmet, or mounted on a bike, drone, or even a car. This gives you endless creative freedom to capture your unique perspective. One of the best features is the intuitive touch screen. No complicated setups, no guessing, just swipe, tap, and start recording. You can preview your shots, switch between modes, adjust settings, and frame your photos perfectly with just a few taps. And there's more. The GoPro Hero supports multiple shooting modes, including time-lapse, burst photos, and slow-motion video. So whether you want to create cinematic clips, capture fast-paced sports, or document a once-in-a-lifetime travel moment, this camera can do it all. It's perfect for vloggers, content creators, and adventure enthusiasts alike. Every jump, every splash, every smile captured with professional-level quality, without the bulk of traditional cameras. The GoPro Hero makes it effortless to create content that's ready to share online, straight out of the camera. So if you're ready to elevate your filming game, capture life in incredible detail, and take your storytelling to the next level, the GoPro Hero is your ultimate companion. Compact, powerful, and ready for anything, this is the camera that will let your adventures shine in 4K Ultra HD. Don't wait, bring your stories to life with GoPro Hero today. Click the link below to buy on Amazon and start recording your world like a pro. If you want, I can also rewrite the 2500 3000 character description and specs to match this longer script style, so your Amazon listing and video are fully aligned and optimized.